Hello, Dr. L here. This is a quick video to show you why I think the S&P 500 is making a significant major top. Last Wednesday night, I sent this chart, or posted this chart, on my Certified Chaos Traders 24/7 room, showing a fireball top. And this chart is S&P E-mini from the end of June this year up until this week. Wednesday night, we had a horrible week for day traders. From 2 weeks ago Friday, we fell off this top and chop. There was an interest rate hike in there right here, shot down, but it bounced right back up, shot some more. Looked like it might keep going up, and then Wednesday afternoon, as the moon lined up with the S&P natal node, bang, we got a drop. So when I looked at that in chaos theory, this is a strange attractor and this is fibrillation. So that was the chart on Wednesday evening. By Friday morning, I had posted this chart for my chaos clinic, explaining that in chaos theory, prices move from strange attractor repellers to strange attractor repellers. Now, Fireball is a good example of one of these. Prices are attracted to this SASR and then repelled from it. Fibrillation is a precursor to chaos, and a good example of that, it's a precursor to what we know as a heart attack. In terms of fractals, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so that completes the 7 moves that I look for in a chaos clamshell. So this is what I posted on my chaos clinic before the open on Friday morning. Now I want to show you a little more detail. This is at the end of the close on Friday, and the market did go down. Now this is that same chart, but I want to show you some of my simple technical tools. And I've shown this strange attractor repeller a little more detail here. This red line is a 24 trading day exponential moving average. And the channel lines here are 45 points above and below it. Just simple moving average channels. So right in here, once we popped up here, if you notice, this channel had a little bend right there. So the moving averages broke this way. If I look up here, there's that little bend in the channel right there. So we did start down here, is rolling over here. This is the 24-day. We broke it, got good support on it, and now broke it with the deepest penetration yet. So this is a technical indication that this is a good turn. Of course, markets are chaotic, the future's unpredictable. Well, almost. Parts of it can be predicted. Now, this is a chart showing this year in the S&P. Back here in January, this rally was on and came up to the end of what I call a fib growth curve. And I'll be explaining that in an upcoming course. Right in here, I was lucky enough to realize that the market was about to crack down hard. And I did post a YouTube video for that. You can go back and check it out. February 3rd, I think is the date. We got this dramatic drop, dramatic rally, huge increase in volatility. And everyone's saying, oh, whoa, what's happening here? And then back here on April 2nd, we got a low, and things looked like they're settling down. Now what I've drawn here is a line from high to high, low to low, that I call a clothesline. I just try to stretch it to what makes sense as appropriate points. And by appropriate, let me show you. If I have a line coming up here, it will come to this low. But once I come over, draw a line over to this low, then I have to remove this point to connect these 2 points in a straight line. What I'm trying to do with this clothesline, as I call it, is find the edges of the energy envelope. And up here, you see it's getting closer and closer. This is a pattern that I call a bullhorn, and it can hook you good. So we may be seeing a hook 'em horns point right here. Now coming up here, this clothesline came up here to the low 2907 and a half. And that Chaos Clinic, I 2 weeks ago, I said if we broke 2907, a major top might be in place. Well, we didn't break it immediately. Here's the Wednesday point. When I started down here, I realized that this is where the little fireball was. So looking at this, I am pretty sure that this is a larger part of a larger pattern than all this stuff in here. So I see that we might be going down this way. Of course, we're very near the end of a long-term major bull market, and the downside might not be all that pleasant. So I'm only looking out a few months here, but this may be much more significant. So that's my quick look at the S&P and this fireball top here. Hope you enjoyed that. Now, if you want to go back and look at last Friday's Chaos Clinic in detail, you can go to http://moneytide.com/haunts, and all my Chaos Clinics that I do get archived with the date. So C for Chaos Clinic, 10 for the month, 5 for the date, 2018 for the year, .asp. So you can go back there and look at the chart I put up on Friday, and there'll be a chart of Friday's market in detail and discussion in the chat room. So now if you want to get an email announcing a Chaos Clinic, go to moneytide.com and sign up for the free weekly email. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.